If your daily routine feels chaotic, overwhelmed, or disconnected from Allah, this video is for you. Here I will give you the ultimate stress-free 24-hour Muslim routine that will help you to come back on track. Let's start the video. Wake up with your first alarm. Don't scroll on social media in bed. Wake up, make wudu and pray Fajr. Read the Quran for 10 minutes. Have an healthy breakfast. If school days, pack for school. If not, then have a study session for 2 hours. The rest time is free if school is off, because if school is on, you will definitely be in school. Most people return from school, so if you're one of those, a bath is highly recommended. Make wudu after coming or take a shower and pray Dhuhr. After that, have lunch and get recharged. Have a 2-hour study session, then pray Asr, and after that try to have 30 minutes workout session. Pray Maghrib. After that, prioritize your family. Family is very important. Try to give 30 minutes or an hour to them daily. After Maghrib, give time to them and have dinner with them. Try to study for 1 hour if you can. Once Isha is done, start turning down the lights so your body can adjust to the mental state that the day is ending. Do not have heavy food and intense screens late night. Dust your bed, make wudu, and recite Ayatul Kursi 3 times for protection. Don't forget to wash your teeth. Take 60 seconds to forgive all those people who hurt or annoyed you throughout the day. A clear heart. Sleep with a clear heart so you wake up with a clear mind. This is the routine that I use on my weekdays. I designed it in just 15 minutes and you can do it as well. I designed it by keeping the prayers as my anchor points throughout the day. The same goes for my weekend routine. Both are different. I have 3 study sessions in the weekend routine and 2 study sessions in the weekdays routine because I also go to school. You can design week routines like this as well. A perfect routine takes time to being established. So don't give up. Hit the subscribe button if you find this video helpful. See you in the next video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.